Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Palash Bhargav. Severe weather including tornado threat returned to US plains, south and Midwest. Severe weather is expected to return this week to the parts of south, Midwest and plains in USA. This includes threat of tornadoes. The recent break in severe weather following an early April outbreak of over 140 tornadoes is ending. This is typical for spring weather patterns. From late this week through next week, damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes could occur each day. However, it is still unclear whether there will be larger outbreaks of severe weather with more tornadoes. A jet stream moving south into the west will push warm and humid air from the Gulf into the plains. This weather pattern is expected to increase storm activities. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) reported in August 2021 that the climate is warming. This will cause more intense weather events. In 2023, NOAA released a strategy to address the growing risk from climate change. This includes threat to lives, property, and infrastructure. The report highlights that US infrastructure is outdated and vulnerable to extreme weather. Many areas are now built for current environmental changes. In related news, over 32 million people from the Ohio Valley to the mid-Atlantic are bracing for severe weather. A cold front moved through the region on Monday, raising concerns. In Texas, the weather was calm on Monday, with light winds and temperatures in mid-60s, making it favorable for activities like liftoff. In Florida, a teenager was killed and two others were injured after getting stuck in a rip current at Lake Worth Beach on Saturday. The Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office responded to the incident, which was reported as a near drowning. That's all for now. For more weather updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.